also the Pasalubong area there. Yep. Going to the veggies market there and Pasalubong line. Hello, this is Baguio City Market on Magsaysay Avenue. Let's go take a look. Introduction, sweet and short like that. Direct to the point. Let's go. Yeah, so there's the spot, the banana spot. If you want tumac, this is the place. You can not always see tumac here in Philippines because for sure they last less long. It's harder to keep than the lakatan, by example, or dipig. But here they can because it's a bit more fresh. Jewelry here. Store. The grocery, you'll see many barber shop on that part here. Let's continue on the main line on Magsaysay Avenue. Here we have also the Pasalubong area there. If you want to see the Pasalubong line, check on my channel. I made a video there before. Room from Bagulin. So also if you want to know about a bit Bagulin, check again on my channel. I've been there. I go there with my son and my wife. We have a good time there. This is the place where they make those brooms. To check for my head. I bumped it sometime here. Yep. Going to the veggies market there and Pasalubong line. We're just after the typhoon, and you can see we have a good weather now. This is a good center mall, the good old mall from Baguio. Here. Another Bread Valley store. Then Julie's. You guys like Julie's bread? This is going again to the market. Good climbing to do. This is where it ends up. I'm now at the end of that line, and it brings us to the jeepney line there. There's the jeeps. So it's the jeepney lines going to upper Benguet. So many people stop and go from here. So thank you for watching. So follow me. I have many more videos to show you. It's Pascal here. So thank you. Bye bye.